Thriving as a plant-based athlete, nutrition for performance and recovery. If you think plant-based diets and peak athletic performance can't go hand in hand, think again. Many athletes are shattering records while running on plants. But how can you ensure you're fueling your body for optimal performance, recovery, and muscle building? Let's uncover the secrets together. Athletes require a higher intake of nutrients to fuel their active lifestyles. Energy, endurance, and recovery depend on maintaining the right balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. For plant-based athletes, ensuring all essential needs are met comes down to proper planning and nutrient-rich food choices. Plant-based diets can be rich in carbs, which are an athlete's primary energy source. By selecting whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, you can energize your workouts and sustain performance levels. However, protein and micronutrients need extra attention to maximize recovery and muscle repair. One common misconception is that plant-based diets lack adequate protein. The truth? Plants can provide all the protein needed to build and repair muscle. By combining sources like lentils, tofu, chickpeas, quinoa, and seitan, you'll obtain all 9 essential amino acids. A day's protein can also easily come from tempeh, hemp seeds, or plant-based protein powders for convenience. Spacing out protein intake throughout your meals ensures your muscles get continuous support for growth and repair after intense training. Don't forget about the unsung heroes, micronutrients. Athletes need to include iron and B12 for oxygen delivery, calcium for strong bones, and omega-3 ASC to reduce inflammation. Plant-based options like fortified cereals, leafy greens, flax seeds, and algae-based supplements can help fill the gap. Vitamin D might also come into play, especially for athletes training indoors or in less sunny climates. A combination of fortified foods or a reliable vegan supplement can safeguard your micronutrient levels without any hurdles. Pre- and post-workout nutrition are key to excelling as an athlete. Before workouts, prioritize slow-digesting carbs with a touch of protein, like oatmeal with almond butter and banana. Afterward, refuel with a mix of protein and carbs, such as a smoothie made with plant protein, berries, and spinach. And for meal prepping, plan balanced plates that include a variety of protein sources, whole grains, and colorful vegetables. Timing meals is equally important. Eat your pre-workout snack 1-2 hours before exercising and your recovery meal within an hour of finishing. Not only does a plant-based diet support performance, but it also promotes overall health and longevity. Reduced inflammation, faster recovery, and a lower risk of chronic diseases are just a few perks. Plus, by fueling on plants, athletes contribute to environmental sustainability and animal welfare. Athletes like Novak Djokovic and Venus Williams have shown how plant-based living champions both performance and long-term well-being. The key is consistency, smart choices, and staying informed on nutritional needs. Now that you've learned how to thrive as a plant-based athlete, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Start with small changes, track your performance, and let your progress speak for itself. Subscribe to our channel, share your journey in the comments, and become part of the plant-powered movement today. Your peak performance awaits.